5 powerful Bible verses from Genesis 21, God's faithfulness and promise. Genesis 21, verse 1. The Lord visited Sarah as he had said, and the Lord did to Sarah as he had promised. This verse shows God's faithfulness. He keeps his promises no matter how long it takes. Genesis 21, verse 3. Abraham called the name of his son who was born to him, whom Sarah bore him, Isaac. The name Isaac means laughter, representing both joy and God's grace. Genesis 21, verse 6. And Sarah said, God has made laughter for me. Everyone who hears will laugh over me. Sarah expresses joy and wonder at God's miracle in her life.
Genesis 21:17. And God heard the voice of the boy, and the angel of God called to Hagar from heaven, and said to her, What troubles you, Hagar? Fear not, for God has heard the voice of the boy where he is. God hears the cries of the forgotten, and provides hope even in the wilderness. Genesis 21:33. Abraham planted a tamarisk tree in Beersheba, and called there on the name of the Lord, the everlasting God. A beautiful moment of worship, declaring God's eternal nature.